Okay, what's up guys? So today we're going to be unboxing this thing. It's called the top LED color changing strip light with remote. Okay, RGB color changing. Okay, indoor use, remote control, 20 colors, strip length. Okay, it was costing like I think this one was the one costing £16. Yeah, it is in the box. We are finding ourselves having a lot of things. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the the remote. Okay, too big. All right, okay, we've got the remote. And what's this? I don't know what this is. We've got something like this and this and that, and the actual thing which you're going to put on the wall. And I think these are the lights. I hope they stay for a longer time. Okay, all right, okay, all right, this is the thing. Okay, now I have to check in the installation menu. I never read an installation menu before. Okay, let's open it so that we do the right thing here. So now I have to connect this one, power supply, to the what? To the RGB W controller. All done. Then I have to connect the controller to the strip light. So as you can see, these are the holes, and these are the thingy which I can connect. And let me try to be precise with it. Okay, managed to connect. I hope I don't break it. Okay, this one is connected. What's next again? What? You can even break it? No. If the strip is too long, cut the strip to desired length along the marked lines using scissors. Or along the marked lines, only on the marked line. Okay. This is the remote, right? Okay, this one is the thing which I'm told to pull out. Okay, before use. Yeah. And what's next? Do not roll up when using, as this can cause overheating. All right, this is good. I think everything is there. And now let me try to connect. I hope nothing explodes here, because I didn't remove the strip behind, the tape behind, because okay, let me just lay it on the table for now. Okay, so as you can see, we got some lights here, which is good. Mind my room, I put a blue, I put red. I can put any other colors in here, and you'll be seeing it in the background, making sure I indicate to the to the receiver. So they are almost all colors which are available here, which is cool. Now I'm going to try to connect it in the room.